Hello, welcome to Primetime Summer Camp Karate. My name is Master V and I will be your karate instructor for summer camp for the month of June. Today we are going to start with a quick warm-up. So what I want you to do is I want you to put your hands on your hips and we're just going to be going back and forth, and you're going to do this with me because karate people always warm up before they start punching or kicking. So we're going to go forward, ready, and count with me. Ready? 1, and back up. Count with me. 2, and back up. 3, and back up. 4, and back up. Got to loosen up that body. 6, and back up. 7, and back up. 8, and back up. 9, and back up. And 10, and bring your body back up. Ready? Now we're going to go side to side. So you're going to go ahead and keep your hands on your hips, and we're going to go side to side 10 times. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring your hands up for twisting exercise. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we're just going to reach down to our knees and put our hands above the knees and do a slow little circle with our knees. Don't go too fast. Remember, let's do a slow little circle. And now let's go the other direction. Slow circles all the way around with those knees. And now just bring your feet out just a little bit. You don't have to go out too far. And reach down for your ankles if you can. Reach down for your ankles. And now we're going to reach down to the right, to the center, to the left. Reach down as far as you can, keeping your knees locked. Ready? To the right, to the center, and to the left. And now we're going to come back up, and we're going to make big circles going forward. Ready? And 1, stay with me, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now going backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now we're kind of loosened up a little bit. Okay, so I just kind of want you to just move your feet in place a little bit. Just move your feet in place. Don't be afraid to move them. Come on, move your feet. Move with me. Okay, move your feet. And now we're just going to put them in and out. Pretend you're doing a jumping jack. So we're going to go out and in. Out and in. Ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what we're going to do is I want you to look down at your feet, and I want you to put your heels together and make a V with your feet. So you're making a V with your feet, okay? Open your hands, put your fingers down and put your thumbs on top, and now put your hands to the side, right beside you, and slightly bend the elbow on your arm. And this is what we call attention stance. Every class will start this way and every class will end this way. So you're now at attention stance. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to salute to the instructor. So you're going to take one hand this way, turn it this way like a knife chop. Take the other hand, put 4 fingers down, thumb over the fingers, and on top of your left hand. So remember, your feet are in a V shape. The heels are touching, hand and fist, and then you salute. And this is what we do at the beginning and at the end of every class. So now get out of your stance and let's try that again, okay? So to go to attention, remember, heels together, do this with me, heels together, make a V with your feet just like I am. One hand here, Turn it this way, and other hand closed, and goes right here, and then bow. So now you are at attention, and now you are bowing from attention. Okay? So now what I want you to do is put one foot out, and bring your hands up. Just bring your hands up. Okay? So take your fist, close it super tight, put one arm out and one back. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to be throwing power punches. So watch me do it the first time, and then you can do it with me. I'm going to throw a power punch. The other hand is going to come back, and it will be beside me. Then I will throw another power punch. So watch, one hand throws a power punch, the other hand goes back. So let's put one hand out, both fists are closed, one hand out, one hand back. And when I count, you're going to throw a punch and punch with the hand that's in the back and bring the other hand to the back. So let's try that. I think you can do it. Your feet are apart, okay? Everybody make sure your feet are apart. If they're not, do it right now. Bring your left hand out, bring one hand to the right, and the punch is going to be, okay? So in karate, what we do, relax for just a little bit. In karate, what we do is we make a sound when we punch. We call that a kiap. Kiap means yell in Korean. So try to say that word with me. Kiap. Now you say it. Okay? I'm going to say it again, and you're going to say it after me. Kiap. A little bit louder, I can't hear you. Kiap. Okay. Kiap means yell. So when you punch, you're going to use your power, and you're going to yell. You're going to kiap. Remember, everybody yells different. So if I tell you to yell, you don't say yell. If I tell you to yell, you yell. So your yell might sound different than mine, and mine is probably going to sound different than yours. But that's what the karate sound is. It is a kiap. So say after me, kiap. Kiap. Because remember, I'm going to see you on Thursday virtual, and I will ask you some of these questions, and we'll have fun with it. So let's put one hand out. Fist is as tight as a rock. The other one is back. And we're going to throw some power punches with your yell. When I count, you throw your punch and you yell. Ready? 1, kia! 2, kia! Don't forget to yell. 3, kia! 4, kia! 5, kia! 6, kia! 7, kia! 8, kia! 9, kia! 10, kia! Now relax, put your hands back down. So again, kiap means yell. Kiap means yell. So say it with me because I want you to learn how to say it too. Kiap, kiap. Good, it means yell in Korean. So now we're going to take our hands again, close them super tight, put the left hand out, and instead of just throwing one punch, when I count, you're going to throw 2 punches. So ready, bring your hand out. The other hand is drawn back. Ready, and 1, 2, kia! Remember, it's 2 punches now. 2, kia! Do it with me, karate kids, come on. 3, kia! 4, kia! 5, kia! 6, kia! 7, kia! 8, 9, kia! 10, kia! And back to this position. So real quickly, let's review what we have done. So your attention stance, your feet are in a V shape. The heels are touching and your feet are out like a V. Your hands close, thumbs on top, hands to the side. This is attention. This is your karate attention stance. To bow, you bring one hand in this position like a knife chop. The other one is closed, put it here, and then we salute. Okay? And now we're going to move our left foot and put our hands in front of us. okay? So your hands are in front of you, the elbows are bent, okay? And you're looking really strong, your feet are apart, just as wide as your shoulders. And now we are in what you call Chumbi stance. Chumbi means ready. So now we're ready, Chumbi stance. So from Chumbi stance, let's try that power punch again. Bring your left hand out. Ready? We're going to do 5 of these. Ready? 1, hit. 2, hit. 3, hit. 4, hit. 5, hit. 6, hit. 7, hit. 8, hit. 9, hit. 10, hit. Well, we did 5 extra ones, so that's good. So that is your power punch. With your power punch, what I want you to do is take your hand, open it up, put the 4 fingers down, the thumb is on top, okay? Your aim is between these 2 fingers, the pointing finger and this other big finger, okay? So you're going to put those down, and that's where you're going to aim for your target when you do your power punches. So again, what I want you to do is, I also want you to be able to count to 5 in Korean. So every day, we're going to count to 5 in Korean. So I want you to go to attention. Remember your V shape. Your feet are in a V shape. Your hands are down to the side. Fists are closed, and we're standing tall like a real karate kid. And we're going to count to 5 in Korean. You're going to repeat after me. Ready? Hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Okay, so repeat after me one more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Okay, now do it with me. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to your ready stance again. Bring one hand out. We're going to throw that power punch, but this time I'm going to count in Korean. Ready? 하나, hit, 둘, hit, 셋, hit, 넷, hit, 다섯, yeah! And going back to Chumbi stance. So we've done our attention stance, okay? Our feet are in a V shape. We've saluted. This is bowing. We've gone to Chumbi. Chumbi means ready. We also did a power punch. We did a double power punch. And we counted to 5 in Korean. So let's do that one more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. So now count after me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now count with me. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. So that is counting to 5 in Korean. So remember, we're going to do 3 15-minute sessions, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we're going to do virtual, and I get to see who you are, and you get to see me. So I'm really excited that I'm going to get to see y'all on Thursday. So for now, that is your first 15-minute session. If you have other things you need to do for a little while, go get some water, take a restroom break, and then come back and check out our second session for day 1. And so now I want you to form your feet in a V shape and bring hand up. And at the end of the class, we're going to bow. So we're going to bow, and I'm going to see you for your next 15-minute sessions as soon as you log into the next session. Thank you.